Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange's Jira user provisioning products are the most successful on the SCIM market. So, in this video we will show you how to use OneLogin as provider to allow SCIM provisioning in Jira. Go to the Jira dashboard. Click on Setting icon on the top right corner, and select Manage Apps option. Go to Search tab and search SCIM. To download the plugin, click on Free Trial. Click on Accept and Install to agree with miniOrange policy and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. Your plugin has been installed successfully. You can view plugin settings using any of the ways. The first way is to click on Plugin. Then click on Configure. Then either way is navigate to User Management. And click on miniOrange User Sync. In the Configuration tab, select OneLogin as an IDP. You can also go through the setup guide by clicking on Documentation. Select your IDP. You will get step-by-step instructions here. Now enter the app name of your choice. SCIM base URL and bearer token create interrelationship between Jira and OneLogin. You will require this credentials for the further configuration. Then click on Save Settings. Now click on Provisioning Operations. And enable all operations. Import users, update Jira users, import users IDP groups, enable Jira users, disable Jira users. Then click on Save Settings. Here plugin setting has been saved successfully. If you face any issue related to the plugin, then check the Troubleshooting tab. Here you can download the log file as well as support zip files. Let us check user management in Jira without SCIM. Go back to the miniOrange plugin in Jira. Click on Setting. Then click on User Management. As we can see, no user has been added. Let's set up OneLogin SCIM configuration. Go to Login page and log into your credentials. Then click on Applications drop-down and select Applications. And click on the Add App button. Then go to Search tab and search SCIM. Select SCIM Provisioner with SAML v2 Core. Click on Configuration tab. For the SCIM base URL, go back to the miniOrange plugin in Jira. Click on Edit option. And copy the SCIM base URL. And paste it in the base URL field. Similarly, copy and paste bearer token. Then click on Save button. SCIM Provisioner has been updated successfully. Then go to Provisioning tab. And enable all SCIM Provisioner, enable provisioning, create user, delete user, update user. These actions performed by the user's OneLogin gets deleted, suspended. Then click on Save button. SCIM Provisioner has been updated successfully. Now, navigate to Users. In Users tab, click on Provisioning State. Then, click on Approve. The user's provisioning state is changed to provisioned. Let us check the user management in Jira with SCIM. Go back to the miniOrange plugin in Jira. Click on Setting. Then click on User Management. As we can see, the data of the OneLogin user has been synced successfully with Jira. Let us update existing user profile in OneLogin to check the user provisioning in Jira. Go to your OneLogin account. Navigate to Users and then, again click on Users. Now, click on the user assigned to your application. Update the first or last name of the user as shown. Then, click on Save User. The user is successfully updated. Then click on Applications. Then click on your SCIM Provisioner application. Now, navigate to Users. In Users tab, click on Provisioning State. Then, click on Approve. The user's provisioning state is changed to provisioned. Go back to the miniOrange plugin in Jira. Click on Setting. Then click on User Management. As we can see, the updated data of the OneLogin user has been synced successfully with the Jira. miniOrange provides best user provisioning. Thanks for watching.